The Fiskars 3904710-inch PWR tooth folding saw is a robust and versatile tool designed for both professional and casual users. Made in China by the reputable brand Fiskars, this saw stands out with its multicolor design and a blend of nylon and steel in its construction. The 10-inch blade is crafted to handle a variety of materials, including nylon and wood, making it an excellent choice for a range of cutting tasks. One of the key features of this saw is its power tooth blade design. This unique feature enhances cutting efficiency and precision, allowing users to make clean cuts with minimal effort. The blade's material combination, nylon and steel, ensures durability and sharpness over time, even with frequent use. The Fiskars 390470 saw is designed to be a folding model, which is incredibly convenient for storage and portability. Whether you're tackling a camping trip, pruning trees, or working on a DIY project, the compact design makes it easy to carry and store. The saw's ergonomics also contribute to a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. While the saw is corded electric, it is important to note that it does not include an electric motor, so it relies on manual power. This design choice helps keep the tool lightweight and easy to maneuver, but it does mean that users need to be more physically involved in the cutting process. Overall, the Fiskars 3904710-inch PWR tooth folding saw is a top performer in its category. Its high-quality materials, efficient cutting design, and user-friendly folding mechanism make it a valuable addition to any toolkit. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a home improvement enthusiast, this saw delivers reliability and effectiveness for all your cutting needs.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.